You hop on your treadmill, ready to get a quick workout in, but the screen's lagging. Buttons aren't responding right. Maybe it's stuck on a loading screen or acting glitchy. You tap around a bit, try restarting it, and now you're just standing there thinking, why is this not working like it used to? If you've got a ProForm treadmill, this kind of behavior can show up when the system gets overloaded or a setting gets messed up. It's not always a hardware problem, it can just be the software needing a clean reset. Sometimes the console freezes mid use, sometimes programs won't load, or the touchscreen just stops responding properly. And yeah, when basic restarts don't fix it, that's when a factory reset starts to make sense. But here's the thing, a factory reset wipes everything. Your saved workouts, custom settings, profiles, all of it goes back to default. So you only want to do this if nothing else is fixing the issue. Instead of guessing, you can follow a proper reset process and bring it back to a fresh state. These are the fixes. 1. Turn off the treadmill completely and unplug it from power. 2. Locate the reset pinhole or reset option on the console. 3. Press and hold the reset button while plugging it back in. 4. Keep holding for a few seconds until the screen reacts or restarts. 5. Release the button and allow the system to fully reboot. 6. Set up your treadmill again like it's new.